Do you want to log out of your Twitter or X account, but you don't know how to do it? Well, just follow my steps. If you need to log out from your account because you're using someone else's device, or you want to use another account on the same device, then you want to open the Twitter app on your phone and make sure that you are on your home page. When you're here, you want to tap on the profile picture at the top left corner of your screen, and this side menu will show up. Expand the Settings and Support section, and then select this option called Settings and Privacy. Once we open our Twitter app settings, in order to log out from our account, we will have to go over to the Your Account section. You'll then see 4 different options, but we don't have the Logout button here, so we will have to open the Account Information section, which is at the top. And when you do open it, you will see this red Logout button, which you want to click on. A little pop-up message will show on our screen that's going to ask us, are we sure we want to log out from our account? Just click on this Logout button, and that's it. We've successfully logged out from our Twitter account, and if you have any other account in the Twitter app, it will automatically switch to that account. And that's it. That is how we can easily log out from our Twitter account. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.